Hello all, I am attempting to do this really super fast. So I'm not even going to read this question out loud to you, but you should have read it. It says, how much time has passed between school ending and Isaac's arrival home? When did he get home? And so that happens from here to here. And so that's 3.5, 3.6, 3.7. So that's 3.7 hours. You can leave it in the decimal. That's totally fine. And then I'm going to add that to 3 p.m. So this really ends up being like 6 o'clock plus 0.7 hours is about 45 minutes. Okay, so I'll take a time like that, 6:45, totally fine. Then it asks, how long did Isaac stay at Tate's house? To figure that out, I have to go back up here and kind of read this. It says, Isaac began his walk home with his friend Tate, who lives 1 mile away from school, in the direction of Isaac's house. Isaac stayed at Tate's house, so that happens right here, from there to there. So that's from 0.5 to 2.5. Some of you will go and count. Some of you will go and do this math. 2.5 minus 0.5 makes for 2 hours. Then it says, how far is the library from Isaac's house? So Isaac then started walking and he got to the library here. And he was at the library for this long. But that's not what the question asked us. It asked us how far, so that's distance. So it's asking for a range, which is 0 to 1.5. So that is 1.5 miles. Where was Isaac? 3 hours after school ended. So I'm going to go to 3 hours right here. I'm going to come straight up. And this is while he is at the library. He was walking. He was at Tate's. He was walking. He was at the library. Okay? Then it says, use function notation to write a mathematical sentence that states how far Isaac was from home 3 hours after school ended. Okay? So I'm going to go erase all my work right here. Okay? I need to identify this line, and I need to go and follow it up and over to find my y-intercept. So before I do that, I have to go and find my slope. To find my slope, I need to go from perfect point to perfect point. This is over 1, down 3. Over 1, down 3. But over 1 is not really over 1. Okay, so let's try to find another perfect point here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down a whole bunch. Down 1.5. Okay. This isn't really 4, it's a 0.4. So I'm going to use function notation. F of x equals negative 1.5 over 0.4 x plus I need a b. We're going to go over how to get that b tomorrow in class. Then it asks, when was Isaac walking the fastest? How fast was he walking? So I'm going to go look here. And I'm wondering what this is. This is a 2, down 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a 4 over 2. This is a 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over 2. This is a 1, 2. So 1, 1, 2, 3. So that's a 3. These all equal out to 2, equal out to 2. This one's a 3. This one's got the steepest slope. It's where he's walking the fastest. So he's walking the fastest home from the library. We've calculated this in decimals with that negative 1.5 over 0.4. You can leave this like that. We will talk about this answer again tomorrow in class to get some nice numbers for it, but you do need to be able to work in the decimals. You will get extra credit if tomorrow your B is underlined twice, like my B.